Reports are designed as spreadsheet-like tools that enable users to access and analyze the required data in a format that suits their needs. Click on Reports. Click on All Folders and open Proxius Project Plus folder. Proxius Project Plus comes with predefined reports designed to enable user quick access to project data. Click on PM Project Overview to open the report. At the top is the report chart. Scroll down to see the table of relevant project data. Search Report Table. Click on the gear icon to choose chart type and attributes. Change filters to only view relevant information. Refresh the report to see the changes. Or click on the Quick Action button to save, export, or delete the report. Click on Export Report to download it.